I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and today we're going to make this very narrow side table. Just take a look. Welcome to Means Woodshop. Really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
All Means Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug for you, Denver Architecture. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. This is the same size and width I want the top to be, even though this has the live edge on this side. I just like the way the board looks right here, so I want my top to come from that. I'm gonna lay this board on top of it. Now we gotta cut legs, and it's just a matter of figuring out how tall we want it to be. So we'll go with 18. I'm just working on bracers now for the sides of the table. If all you get is this little one and not the really expensive jig as a dust collection port, it makes a mess. I'm also using glue as well because that'll also increase the strength of my joint. Man, that's a really strong joint. I want the front and back to be inset, so I'm using this board as a spacer to make this elevated for when I put the screws in. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. Because to do it by hand, I've just put the bit in there, and I'm actually just using a pair of pliers to twist it, because I don't have a square-headed screwdriver. Oh yeah, it's on there pretty good. Sanding's boring. Before I continue sanding, I'm gonna put a chamfer along the top of the table. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the top. You almost could use it as a little seat. Cherry strips.
Cherry strips. Cherry strips. Cherry strips.
But I'm gonna cut strips to make a bottom shelf for the table. So all I'm doing here is taking those boards I cut. Two of those strips I cut short enough, well, the same length as these, and I'm just putting glue on the ends. I'm not gonna put clamps on these. And it's not like I'm gonna come home and slam dunk my shoes on here every day. Now it's gonna go right here. Problem solved. that table was pretty easy. I'm pretty happy with this little table, and I think the cherry looks really pretty, especially now that it's finished. And it's got that little bottom shelf for maybe shoes or something. And I hope you like it. If you did enjoy it, please hit that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, because I post new woodworking videos every Friday. A good little solution for it, and it looks nice too. So thank you. Junior likes it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.